Here are the now about the classes, the grammar classes in partial speeches. Partial speeches. How you know about the classes? You learn the learning in the classes. Well, if starting we know the classes. Yeah, lesson number, but the day in the ashram. The day in the ashram. Or how do you know that the ashram? Anybody? How do you know that the ashram? Ashram is an ancient school of them. One type of the school. One type of the school. The nowadays on ancient days the school was different. Once upon a time I am learning in Puri Mata. I am learning in Puri Mata. In our child life. In our child studies. The ancient times of the school, the type of the ashram, one type of the ashram. This nowadays the school was, they are the four walls inside of the many students in the sit on the desk. The teacher was telling the classes. So many students in the classes. In every school was a variation of the strength. More of the students of the schools, there are 50 or 40 members of the in classes. One section was a 50 members. The many people, many students are the academy was a teaching is not effect for the teachings. But why is the affected? Why is not affected? The more students is there, does not the care of the students of the teachers. There is the some students now in teaching is a very affected because every student was carefully in how to study, how to write it, in checking the students, checking the teachers also the students is the effective teaching. How do you know that? Understand? His ashram is a once of the same to the school. Today you say day in the ashram. The lesson is a away. You are day in the ashram. The day in the ashram. This lesson was written by C.F. Andrews. C.F. Andrews. The full name is C.F. The full name is Charles Perrins Andrews. Charles Perrins Andrews. He was born on 1871. 18 was born on 1871. He was died on 1940. 1940. Was an English priest. As an English priest. As an English priest of the church. English priest of the church in the Church of England. Priest is meaning. Priest is meaning. Are you know that the priest? Are you going to the temples? Who is the Pujay? Who is the Pujay? Yah Puja ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಏನಂತೀರ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಪೂಜೆ ಮಾಡೋರಿಗೆ? What is the Pujay? Priest. ಪೂಜೆ ಮಾಡೋರಿಗೆ ಏನಂತೀರ? ಹೌದು. Pujari. Are you same to the in the church? Allah. Who is the name of the church? Who is the name of this? Who is the ಏನಂತೀವಿ ಚಟ್ನಿಗೆ ಏನಂತೀವಿ fathers. Also this in alwa hige ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಧರ್ಮದಲ್ಲೂ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಥರ ಇದೆ ಹಾಗೆ ಹೀಗೆ ಸೇಮ್ ಟು ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ priest ಅಲ್ಲಿ priest ಪೂಜಾರಿಗಳು ಆಫ್ ದ ಚರ್ಚ್ ಇನ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲೆಂಡ್ ಗೊತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಯುರೋಪಿಯನ್ ಕಂಟ್ರೀಸ್ ಇನ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲೆಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಅದನ್ನ ಹಿಂಗೆ he was an educator means what is the meaning of educator? ಉತ್ತಮ ಒಬ್ಬ ಅಧ್ಯಾಪಕ ಉಪಾಧ್ಯಾಯನು ಸಹ educators and Indian freedom fighters. Also they say Indian freedom ಸ್ವತಂತ್ರ ಹೋರಾಟಗಾರ freedom ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಸ್ವತಂತ್ರ ಹೋರಾಟಗಾರ fighter. He became a Mahatma Gandhi's closest friend. Also this Mahatma Gandhi is now that who is the freedom of this who is the father of nations. ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಪಿತಾಮಹ ಅಂತ ಯಾರು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಮಹಾತ್ಮ ಗಾಂಧೀಜಿ. ಮಹಾತ್ಮ ಗಾಂಧಿ he is a closest friend and associated. Also the ಸಹಾಯಕ associated always ಅವರ ಸಹಾಯಕನಾಗಿ ಡಿಸಿಬಲ್ ಅನುಯಾಯಿಯಾಗಿ ಅನುಯಾಯಿಗೆ ಸಹಾಯಕರಾಗಿ ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಯಾರು ಯಾರಲ್ಲಿ C.F. Andrews the poet. This lesson was written by ಯಾರು C.F. Andrews, Charles Peirce Andrews. Who wrote this lesson? Who wrote this lesson? This lesson was written by C.F. Andrews. Who was the Andrews? Andrews, C.F. Andrews he became a Mahatma in the freedom fighters. C.F. Andrews became educated. C.F. Andrews is an educator and Indian freedom fighters. He was became Mahatma Gandhi's friends, also a associated. Andrews reveals his experience while he was stayed in the ashram. Shantiniketan was founded by Rabindranath Tagore. It is a school with a difference where studies learn with great joy. Andrews reveals his experience while he was stayed in the ashram. ಅವರ ತಿಳುವಳಿಕೆಯನ್ನ ಅವರ ಅನುಭವಗಳನ್ನ ಅವರು ಶಾಂತಿನಿಕೇತನಲ್ಲಿ ಕಳೆದಂತ ತಿಳುವಳಿಕೆ ಅಥವಾ ಅನುಭವಗಳನ್ನ ಸ್ಥೈರ್ಯದಿಂದ ಅವರು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಲ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಲ ಕಳೆದಿದ್ದಂಥ ಅನುಭವಗಳನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ಕೆಲವು ತಿಳಿಯುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಏನು ಅವರ ಅನುಭವಗಳನ್ನ what was said at this time. The Shantiniketan was the founder by Rabindranath Tagore. Who was Shantiniketan founder? Shantiniketan founder was Rabindranath Tagore. It is a school with a difference. That school was Shantiniketan school was the difference. This school and the Shantiniketan school was a difference. How to difference? Next the class. This the day in the ashram. Next class all of this difference of this Shantiniketan this school and Shantiniketan difference. How to difference it? Where is studies the learn with great joy. Various students love with great joy. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಬಹಳ ಸಂತೋಷವಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಹೌದು, ಬಹಳ ಸಂತೋಷ. ಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಜಾಯ್. ಜಾಯ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ. ಜಾಯ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ happy. Also, this lesson was some critical other. Some words was also he know about this sentence was Charitas, member of Chai, anteno, member of Chai, Charitas anteno, member of Chai anteno. member of Chai ಅಂತೇನು ಸಂಗೀತಗಾರರಲ್ಲಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಂಗೀತಗಾರರ ಒಂದು ಏನಂತೀವಿ ಆ ಮೇಳದ ಒಂದು ಸಂಗೀತಗಾರರ ಒಂದು ಮೇಳದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಅದರ ಒಂದು ಗಾಯನ ಆ ಮೇಳದ ಒಂದು ಗಾಯನ ಅಥವಾ ಗಾಯಕ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು ಅಲ್ವಾ. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಚಾಯ್. ಚಾಯ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಐಮನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ a group of the singing hymns ಅಂತ. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಮೇಳ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿ, ಕೆಲವು ಸಾಯಂಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರ ಮೇಳಗಳು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಕೆಲವರು ಮೇಳದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಸಿನಿಮಾತ್ಮಕ ಮೇಳಗಳು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ತರಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಹಂಗೆ ಆ ದೇವರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮೇಳಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ಹೈಮನ್ಸ್ ಎ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಏನಂತೀವಿ, ಹೈಮನ್ಸ್ ಎ ಸಾಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರೈಸಸ್, ದ ಸಾಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರೈಸಸ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ದ ಸಾಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಪ್ರೈಸಸ್, ದೇವರ ಸ್ತೋತ್ರ. ಹೈಮನ್ಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಸಾಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರೈಸಸ್. This is next. Amaloki, this is a tree. Same, a tree, a mango tree. Also this tree, banyan tree, Ashoka tree, etc. That same of the tree. Next, Amaloki is a tree. Reverency means, what is the meaning of reverency? Reverency. Respect. Respect means you know. Respect. Even there. Another Mariani. ಅಥವಾ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಗಿವ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್, ಪೂಜ್ಯ ಭಾವನೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು all of you get the students, the teachers was it. Most of the students will get respect. Get a respect. Alva. Next, you also this meditate. ಏಕಾಂಗಿಯಾಗಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದು? It means meditation. Pray silently. ಏನು ಮೆಡಿಟೇಟ್ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆ ಏಕಾಂತ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಮೆಡಿಟೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಂದ್ರೇನು? ಧ್ಯಾನ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಬರ್ತೀವಿ silently. That's called is a mind. This essence was there. This essence was advertised about this. These words was it. ಅಲ್ವಾ. Okay. Next, essence ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆ. Here, now not the essence. But everybody, who is wrote this essence? C.F. Andrews. When he was born and when he was died, and when he was born, who was the Charles? Who was the C.F. Andrews? Who was the C.F. Andrews? Next, if there is the C.F. Andrews, this was cannot the picture to you the beauty of Shantiniketan, our own poet and the teachers whom we call Gurudeva, as named it is a song, the darling of our hearts, and it is worthy of the name. All who have visited the ashram, old and young alike, have felt it is as an inner of beauty loving more and more upon them. One day in the ashram, which is the boys that would be perhaps best to bring home to you with a inner beauty long before the sunrise, like what's in our own Amalaki house. Our boys are awake. The churches are the first to rise and they go round the ashram singing their morning hymn. You can hear the voices in the distance, drawing nearer and nearer, and then the sound dies away as the child passes on the another part of the ashram. And then again it comes to nearer and nearer, the beauty, the sound in the silent morning air, and the senses of the joy and reverency which it brings give peace to the soul. After an interval, each boy takes his asana, his square of carpet, into the field and sits down on it to meditate in his own place alone later on before the school work begins. The boy all stand together in the shade of the trees and sing their hymn till about all for the work of the school goes on. Many more classes. The boys sit with their teachers in the open air under the trees. There are no larger classes. A group of 8 or 10 boys are seated around the teachers asking him questions. Very few books are used. A greater part is carried on through conversations. The boys soon learn to open out all that they return to their teachers, and the teachers get keenly interested in the boys' questions and answers, such leaving the education can never dull. Oh, what do you know? Words cannot picture to you the beauty of Shantiniketan. This says of this, C.F. Pankhurst says about this, says, whatever this says, words cannot picture to you the beauty of Shantiniketan. Our own poet is the teacher, and whom we call the Gurudev. What is said that the Pankhurst words cannot be pictured to the beauty of Shantiniketan. Without no word, the beauty of describe of the beauty of Shantiniketan. The very beauty of how to describe, no words that describes in the Shantiniketan. The very beauty, because no words in the difference of Shantiniketan. Do you know that? Pankhurst ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ನಮಗೆ ವರ್ಡೇ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಪದನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಶಾಂತಿನಿಕೇತನ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿನ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ. That's part. In our own poet, the teachers whom we call Gurudev, is the own poet. Teachers, also the teachers, who we call the Gurudev, he has named it in a song. Named it is a song. Gurudev. Also this the poet of Rabindranath Tagore is called the Gurudev. His name, whom we call Gurudev, is named. It has a song, the darling of our hearts, and it is a worthy of the name. All the situated of ashram, all the name, they have felt it is in the beauty, loving the more and more them. Whom is called this Gurudevs. Yes, who is the Gurudev? Rabindranath Tagore And he named it is a song, the Dawning of Our Hearts. Who is the written by this Dawning of it? Continuing to read, who is the Rabindranath, the written the Dawning of Our Hearts, and a worthy of the name, worthy of the name. All you have visited the ashram. Who is that? All of you have visited the ashram. Anybody, the spectator of this visited the ashram. Visited the ashram. Old and young, alive. You have the old and young, alive. Felt it is an inner beauty, which the what Dharma Gurudev dwelling in the arts. What Dharma Gurudev dwelling in the arts. What is the meaning of dwelling in the arts? Hearing. Old and young feels the inner beauty. Inner beauty, loving the more and more. Loving the more and more. This is the describe of this. Hello. Hearing more and more. Next. The loving the more and more. Open. Think open then. Open. Then open. Next. If I were to describe to you one day the ashram with the voice and perhaps the best. Perhaps the best bring home to you are the inner beauty. Inner beauty. If I want to describe to you the one day the ashram with the boys that how the perhaps bring our own homology and bring home you is a inner beauty. People when they say when you was ashram the describe without the describe. If you have the describe to you one day the ashram with the boy, how to the ashram with the boy, type ashram with the boy, how to the ashram with the boy, how to define the quiet, how to left in the ashram in the boy, how to a day of this in the ashram, how to live in the ashram. Describe to the you have to ಅಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಂತ ಹೇಗೆ ವಿವರಣೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಅಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಂತ ದಿನವನ್ನು ಹೇಳಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದವರ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾದಂತ ದಿನವನ್ನ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಯಾವ ಹೇಗೆ ಕಲ್ತ್ರಿ ಆ ಗುರು ಜೊತೆ ನಾವು ಹೇಗೆ ಕಲ್ತು ಅನ್ನೋದು ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು ಅನಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರಯಾಸ ತಿಳಿಸಬೇಕು. Bring home to your inner beauty. Bring home to how to the students bring the home and the inner beauty. ಅಲ್ಲಿ how to the beauty. inner ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಳಗಿನ ಒಂದು ಸೌಂದರ್ಯ ಹೇಗಿತ್ತು ಅನ್ನೋದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ. And long before the sunrise, like the birds in our own Amalaki grows, our boys are awake. Many before the student and many before the sunrise. ಸೂರ್ಯ ಹುಟ್ಟುವುದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮೊದಲೇ sunrise. Perhaps the best to bring home to you is a inner beauty. You will say home and it was the inner beauty. Inner beauty long before sunrise and like a birds in our own Amalaki. Your own Amalaki grows. ಅವರು ಬೆಳೆದಂಥ ಸ್ವಂತಕ್ಕೆ ಅವರೇ ಬೆಳೆದಂಥ ಮರದ ಅಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸೂರ್ಯ ಹುಟ್ಟುವುದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮೊದಲೇ ಅಲ್ಲಿಯ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಮಕ in the beds, bring up in the beds. You are going to the sit on the Amalaki trees. Sit in the Amalaki trees and those in the and boys are awake and charioteers are the first to ride their was crown to ashram. Charioteers means Sangeeta. Charioteers means what is the meaning of charioteers? Song. Hello, Sangeeta. I don't know this. Sangeeta. Charioteers. Charitas, the Amaloki are ready. Charitas are the first to ride the, and they was round the ashram. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಸಹ ಮುಂದೆ ಆಶ್ರಮ ಸುತ್ತ round sutta of the ashram and distance of the distance drawing nearer and nearer, and then was sound was the away. When was the there drawing? When was the sound away, nearer. When it was nearer, the sound was arrived. When it was away, the sound was down. Slow. The sound was slow. The when was the around the Shakti with all the students in the prayer. In the video was arrived on the prayer. And Ayman and in our there are the morning Aymans. The Devara Sloka Ayman Aveno. Devara Sloka and you can hear the voice was the distance drawing the nearer and nearer, and this was sound was the dies away. Away. Here is the kid. Amen. The child, the process on the other part of the ashram, the process on the other part of the ashram, and then again that comes to the nearer and nearer, and the beauty of the sound, and in the silence of morning air, and the sense of joy and reverency, which was bring and give peace of the fire, the soul. You can hear the voices. You can hear the voice. What is voice? Our voice means Shabda. Voice. Shiva hear the Shabda voices and distance and in the distance and drawing the nearer and nearer, and then the sound was rise away. There was the nearer and nearer sound was arrived. Then it was the dies away. Sound was that is what English. Here's the joy, the process of the another part of the ashram. Like child of the ಈಗ ಜೀವನ ಕೆಲವು ದೇವರ ಸ್ತೋತ್ರಗಳನ್ನು ಹಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. And child process on the another part of the ashram. Another part of the ಈಗೆಲ್ಲ ಸಂಗೀತಗಳು ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಶ್ಲೋಕಗಳು ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಆದ ಮೇಲೆ after this morning lessons, after that it was the all of this Amaloki under the Amaloki piece over this thing, the when it was voice was away with the charters we see first and right go to the round of ashram 1 or 3 4 and 6 around this all of this singing in the God's things. Here, some of this is away child of process on the another part of this ashram, and again comes to the nearer and nearer the beauty of the sound and the silent morning and air and the sense. When it was the beauty of silence, silence, when it was silence, after the silence and morning and the sense was the of joy and reverency, which was brings. And when you saw that this anyone people, this all the working, all these systems of this of the any person was then the places was this very joy and reverency of that places. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಂತೋಷ ಮತ್ತು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ತು ಒಂದು ರೀತಿ ಪೂಜ್ಯ ಭಾವನೆ. Reverency means first one is reverency, respect, pujya bhavane. That place was a very joy. Also this sense that means that places was having joy and happiness which give the peace to the soul. ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಶಾಂತಿ, ಅವರ ಆತ್ಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಶಾಂತಿ. Soul, Atma. Soul means sun. Atma. Soul. S-O-U-L. Soul. Atma. This called is a peace, Shanti. little ಮನಸ್ಸಿಗೆ ಏನೋ ಒಂಥರ ಶಾಂತಿ, that is peace. After the interval, each boy takes his asana. After this interval, when the morning session was closed, after it was all the students after the interval, some time was interval, each boy was taken to the asana. Every boy, all the each boy, everyone boy, his asana, his square of the carpets. Asana, yoga asana. How do you know that? Yoga asana. Asana means yoga asana. Also this square of feet. Everyone person was square feet of this carpet. Each one of them taken the square feet of the carpet. Taken of this carpet. Into the fields. Into the fields. Into the fields. And sits down in the meditate. After this, everyone taken to the carpet, into the fields, and sit in the fields, and it's down on it, meditate, and sits down into the meditate. All places along the ladder, on before the schools work began. The boy all stand together in the shade of the trees and sing there, Ayman, sing there, Ayman, sing there, Ayman. And in all letters, before the school work was begin, by all the stand together in the shade and the trees are sing of Ayman. Then everyone was taken the carpet into the field and sits down into the meditate. After this morning session is after when he was the song Ayman saying song of Ayman. Also this around of this Shantini Ketans singing. Also this next was their duties, that is, and that is the square of the carpet and into the field of this down on the meditate in the places alone later before the school work was begin. After this asana is field in the meditate. After this next meditate, dhyana ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಶಾಸನ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರು? ಧ್ಯಾನ. And in place alone later before this school work was begin. Next was school was starting begin work. The boys stand together after this meditate and dance together. Tell us again. Shade in the tears. Shade in our trees and sing their Ayman. Hello, so I want to go. He meditate after the asana and he was go to the school. Start to the school. Under the tree, shade, in the shade of the trees, sing with the Ayman. Up next he was starting this also the prayer in the classes. How to the start in the prayer in the, how to the enter. The morning classes coming to the 10 o'clock. After he was class enter. What was the prayer? Talk me. Okay. How to this sitting in the under the tree, first starting the prayer and enter the classes. Till about this all past 10 the work. After the class enter, after the prayer is finishing, closing, and he was after all leave, after about the past of 10 o'clock, work in a school goes on. Next, when we have the no classroom. The class was no classroom. You know that no classroom in the classes, and they pass with their teachers. He is the same to the no classes. The classes was under the trees. Classes was under the trees. Classroom. Then he was go to the field under the sitting the students, and then he was taught to the teachers the classes. The boys with their teachers in the open the air under the trees. There are no larger the classes. How do you know that? They are no larger the classes. This is the class was there no larger the classes. There are no a group of 8 or 10 boys. The classes in the every teachers divided for the 8 or 10 boys, 10 students. divide for the 10 students, you will teach them each of the teachers. Teach them. Ali, teach them. He started to the around the teachers, asking him to the questions. Every teachers asking him to the questions. The students, the teachers asking him the question, and very few books are used. A teacher's part of the carried on through the conversations. All the students, including the students asked the questions, same to the teachers, the asked the answer to the students, same. Other than the question that the boys are started to the around the teachers, asking to the questions. The few books are used. It is not no books. It is not more of books. Any few books in the classes. We have the books also. Next, up. A greater part of the carried through the conversation. A greater part of the carried through the conversation. The boys soon in the difficulties their teachers. Difficulties their teachers. Difficulties use a great no larger the classes. A group of 8 boys seated around in the teachers, asking him the questions. And very few books are used. A greater part of the carried through the conversation, and this boys was soon to open their difficulties, and there was the teachers. When he was the written of this many difficulties of the students, any question arise to the with the teachers. The very difficulties, the answer to the teachers, answer to the students, the teachers, and the teachers keenly were interested, and their voice was questions and answers, all very interesting answer to the questions, the teachers, and such leaving of education can never dull. Any students in the process never dull. ಯಾವ ಸಾಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ most of the teachers ನೀವು ಹೋಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಈಗ already were going to the circus school. More of students in the classes. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಈಗ teaching is effective learning ಬರೋದು. effective learning ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೋದು. ಅದರಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರ್ತಾರೋ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಕಲಿಯೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಹಳ ಉತ್ತಮ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ question ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕಿಗೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Who named the school Shantiniketan? Who named the school Shantiniketan? When does the reign Shantiniketan begin? When does the day the Shantiniketan begin? What termed by when does the day Shantiniketan begin? What is termed the Gurudev, the dawning of the arts? Which tries his usual paragraph into the mean both the old and the young people. Both the old and the young people. The boys Shantiniketan get up early in the morning. Who LC or early risers. The boys in the Shantiniketan get up early in the morning. Who LC or the early risers. Early risers. Okay. Next is the continuing of the lessons. Okay.